In this video, we'll install and review real wood central console and dash upgrade for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. What is going on, everyone? Several weeks ago, I posted a poll in my channel asking all if you wanted me to review this wood dash and central console cover, and looks like a lot of you are actually interested on my review of those products. So I asked Hills to go ahead and send me those products so I can install them and review them in the channel. This is the first time I have seen anyone come up with real wood cover for this type of application. This is also the first time we're reviewing any products from this company called Hills. Looks like this is a fairly new company, and their About Us section shows that they're all about customizing Teslas and allowing more options for Tesla owners. They also plan on expanding to more products in the future. With that, let's get started with today's video. You might be wondering, why do I even need a cover for my central console? The OEM console, at least for the older Tesla Model 3s, are very glossy and prone to fingerprint. It attracts a lot of dirt, and I had a really hard time keeping it clean. That's the reason these central console covers are very popular and a must-have accessory. Now, before I said yes to reviewing these wood covers, I was wondering if I would be able to remove my existing carbon fiber covers. So for those of you in the same situation that would like to replace your existing covers with these wood covers, all you need is a heat tool and a lot of patience. Just be careful to not apply too much force while you remove these covers. If you have a PPF type of wrap on the console, you can do the exact same thing. Just go around with the heat tool and you can remove the wrap. Some come out easy and some take, as I said, a lot of patience. The central console covers come in a very secured box, and you get all the precision fit pieces. The piece with the cup holder part has those two holes perfectly aligned with the edges facing downward, and it also has that notch at the end. All of these pieces mimic the Tesla central console. They also send you that little piece that goes on the very top of the console. This is all real wood. The installation is very simple. Let's just start with the cup holder part. You just remove those 3M adhesive from the back, and there are a lot of them on each piece, so it'll definitely take you a while. When you're done removing all those 3M adhesive covers, go ahead and place the piece on the top and align all the edges properly. Don't push down yet, but the glue might stick a little even without any force. Check to make sure all four edges and the cup holder holes are perfectly aligned, and go ahead and push down to secure the piece. Do the exact same thing for the middle portion. Remove all the 3M adhesive covers and align the piece without applying any force. Leave a little bit of room on both top and the bottom side. Once everything looks good, go ahead and push the cover to secure it. Follow the same process for the very top piece. Once everything is aligned well, push the piece to secure it. You can then install this little piece that goes on the very top. Here's the final product. I think it looks really cool. I like the fit and finish very well. Just a note that I might have installed this middle piece a little bit towards the bottom, then I should have probably pushed it a little bit up. The dash comes in a single piece. It has several 3M adhesives in the back, and again, it helps you secure the dash tightly on top of your existing dash. The edges are very well aligned to precisely fit all sides. Once you remove all the 3M adhesives from the back, go ahead and flip the new dash cover and let it sit on top of the existing dash. Make sure all the edges are aligned and are fitting well. Go ahead and push down on the new dash cover all the way around and also in the very middle. You want to ensure the dash is fully glued in, otherwise you will hear rattling noise while driving. They also send you these side dash trims which fit really well. This is the post-installation view with the new dash cover installed. Again, it looks really good. Here are before and after riding videos showing the interior with and without these covers. I think these covers make your interior stand out quite a bit and makes your car look classy. There is no glare issues as expected because these covers are not glossy and they are just real wood. I didn't hear any rattling noise, and the covers are stuck there very well. I definitely do not love that glossy finish on the original part, so this product helps fix that issue. These new covers are Koa finished wood, and honestly, I see a big difference compared to the OEM wood dash. I did verify that the keycard was working well after the installation. I was a little worried if I would have any issues with the card sensors, and this new cover doesn't seem to affect any of that, so I was a little relieved knowing that. Now, if you're wondering how easy will it be to remove these new wood covers in case you don't like them after the install, you can use the same heat tool trick to remove this, and again require some patience. You might or might not be able to recover the full wood piece, and you might end up breaking it permanently. I ended up somehow bending mine too much, so I ruined mine, but you can remove these pieces for sure after the installation if you don't like them. I think this is a pretty great product. It was fairly straightforward to install and remove, and looks like that adhesive sticks really well. It's made out of high quality material. There's not much to say about the product because you saw that it made a huge difference in the interior of my car, and I really like it. They offer various type of wood options. They have, I believe, 4 or 5 different options right now on their website, so you can choose between those options. And this product is also applicable to newer Tesla Model 3s and Ys that are refreshed. So the ones that have different central console, the ones that have the trim pieces, the wood trim pieces on the side in the door. This product, they sell those products for each of those models. So just specify which model of car that you have, and they'll send you the right one for you. Kudos to Hills for coming up with a very unique solution that is really different than what we are used to seeing in the market today. Having said all of this, this product is definitely not for everyone though. As I saw on my poll, many of you are actually interested in the carbon fiber products. You do not like the wood. You want to hide that wood in the front. But there are also many of you who actually want more wood inside your car. So you want to add more wood to the central console, to the side panel, or you came from a car that has a lot of wood in the interior and you actually liked it. So my job is to showcase whatever is out there and show you the new and unique solutions that are out there for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. Thank you for watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts about this product in the comment section below. I'll be back again with another cool Tesla videos. Thank you very much. Namaste.